Hi children, in previous class we have discussed about irregular past participle and today we are going to discuss about adjective form of noun. Adjective forms of noun. Okay. I request all of you to open your textbook page number 14. See adjective forms of nouns. Read the following sentence from the lesson. See, there is a sentence from the lesson. Let us see what is that. Dorothy ate a hearty supper and was waited upon by the rich munchkin himself, whose name was Bob. Here the word hearty is the adjective form of the noun heart. We added the suffix y to the noun heart to form the adjective hearty. See here, Dorothy ate a hearty supper. Dorothy ate a hearty supper. In that sentence, the word hearty, H-E-A-R-T, the word hearty is the adjective form of the noun heart. See, heart is a noun. I think you have already learned about noun and all. Noun in the sense it is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Right. Here it is and a noun is a naming word. Right. Here heart. Heart is a name of one of our organs. Right. So heart is a noun. Here in this sentence, the Dorothy ate a hearty supper. Here in this sentence, hearty used as adjective. Hearty is used as adjective. Hearty supper. What is adjective? Adjective in the sense it is a describing word. Adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun. Right. Here the word hearty describes the noun supper. Supper. How was the supper? It was hearty supper. Right. Here the word heart is a noun and they made the adjective hearty by using the noun heart. Heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart, and they have added a suffix at the end of this word. What is that? What is the suffix they have added there? They added there y. Right. Y is added there and they formed an adjective. Right. Here, for example, do you know what is suffix and prefix? Suffix and prefix. Prefix in the sense we add one or two letter before a word. For example, happy. Happy is a word. If we add before this word un, we get a word that is unhappy. Right. This is prefix. Before a word we use letters by making a no word. For making a no word, that is prefix we add here. Before a word we add prefix. If we add salt, salty. If we add y at last, we can make another word that is salty. If we add this at last, that is suffix. Suffix we add at the end of a word and prefix we add at the beginning of a word. Okay. Hope you understand the difference. Prefix we add the beginning of a word and suffix we add at the end of a word. Okay. Here we are going to make some suffix. In the sense we are going to add some letters at the end of a word to get an adjective. Okay. Going to add suffix to get adjective. Okay, see here. Here in this word we added y. Suffix here, the suffix is I. We added Y there to get an adjective. Hearty. Okay. See, we can create adjective forms of nouns by adding appropriate suffixes to them. Some suffixes that can be used to create adjective form of nouns are, see, there are some examples below. See, for making or for creating adjective forms of nouns. For creating adjective forms of nouns by adding appropriate suffixes to them. We can create adjectives forms from nouns by adding suffixes. Okay, by adding suffix, we can suffix in the sense we can add letters at the end of a word. Okay, we can add suffix. We can add suffix and we can create adjectives for adjectives form from a noun. Okay, see here, see the example. Suffix are given here. Examples are there. Okay, suffix y, by adding y, as I said, salt, salty, added at the end of the word salt, we added y and we got an adjective salty. Okay, and milk, 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 milky, by adding y suffix we made an adjective from the noun milk. What is the adjective? Milky. Okay, next, cost, costly, adding ly, cost. At the end we added two letters, suffix, added two letters. Cost, costly. The dress is, it is a costly dress. It is a costly dress. Here dress is a noun and here we used a costly adjective. Used costly to describe the noun dress. How is the dress? It is very costly dress. Costly, adding, by adding suffix ly we made an adjective from cost, that is costly. Okay, next, friend, friendly, and next ish, child, childish, sheep, sheepish, and next al, by adding al suffix. Okay, person, personal, function, functional. Next, ical, alphabet, alphabetical, history, historical. Next, ic, hero, heroic, class, classic. Okay, in such a way, see, listen very carefully. We add suffix at the end of a sentence. Here, you saw all the examples. By adding the suffix at the end of a sentence, added one or two letter or three letter or four letter, added at the end of the word, added suffix and made adjective from noun. Okay, adjective from noun. Okay, and see, there is an activity below. Select the correct adjective form of the noun to complete sentence. See, select the correct adjective form of the noun to complete sentence. See, what is first one? Listen to the dash sound of the drum. Rhythmic and rhythmish. What we can select? Not rhythmish, right? That is rhythmic. Listen to the rhythmic sound of the drum. We say rhythmic sound of sound. Rhythmic sound it is. Okay, listen to the rhythmic sound of the drum. And next one, these chips are very oily or oilish. What is there? Two options are there, oily and oilish. We cannot say oilish, right? In such a way we did not hear. Here what is the answer? Oily. These chips are very oily, we say, right? Next, the dash conditions are changing rapidly due to the global warming. Climatic or climatical. The climatic conditions. Climatic conditions, not climatical. Okay, the climatic conditions are changing rapidly due to global warming. And next, don't plan a picnic for the next weekend. It will be rainy or rainy. Rainy or rainy. Rainy. So it is not there, right? Rainy, the word rainy, it is not there. Rainy we say, right? Don't plan a picnic for the next weekend. It will be rainy. Okay, rainy is the answer. Next, their new house is dash brown. Yellowish or yellowic? Yellowic is not there, right? Yellowic, that word I didn't hear still. That word is not there. What we have to fill there? Yellowish you have to fill. Okay, their new house is yellowish brown. Okay, see in these answers you can see rhythmic, oily, climatic, rainy and yellowish. In these words, these are adjectives, right? These adjectives are formed from the noun by adding suffixes. Okay, for example, rhythmic. Rhythm is a noun and added ic at the end of the words rhythm and made an adjective, that is rhythmic. Like the same, oil is a noun. Oil is a noun and added y suffix and made it as adjective, that is oily. And next, climatic. Climate is a noun and added ic suffix and made it as adjective. Okay, next, rainy. Rain is a noun, added y suffix and made adjective rainy. And next, yellowish. Yellow is a name of a color. It is a noun and added ish suffix and made adjective, yellowish. Hope you understand. See, you have to fill these answers in your textbook and of course in your notebook. I will send the answers along with this video. Okay.